rolling. You're rolling.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Tonight we're hitting arms. It's the off season. I think this is the second one, but don't quote me on that. I'm honestly lost in the videos. I have a lot of videos coming out back to back in a row. We're working on getting to 2 uploads per week, so we're almost there. I think we probably have enough content, but I'm honestly just so lost. I've been filming, Damien's been filming, Trevel's been filming, I've been filming and editing, so I got a ton of content at home. I'm gonna sort it out and I'll get everything in line. But just to update you guys on like my physique, last weekend, Saturday, was my check-ins. I weighed 240 pounds. We're still in a reverse diet. The only thing we did was we took my reverse diet and I get 2 like Chipotle bowl meals added in on a leg day and a back day. So on those 2 days I have 7 meals. Cardio is at 30 minutes a day. I can do it fasted or after a workout, and I'm at 5 sessions total. So on my rest days I literally just chill. And then tonight's arms, but I was just talking to Damien. We've already filmed this one arm workout for you guys like 2 or 3 times, and I need to work on my shoulders. So this workout incorporates arms and shoulders. It's gonna be completely new, something you guys haven't seen. So stick around for it. We're just gonna jump right into it right here. Just gonna get warmed up with the triceps and the biceps, like 12 to 15 here, drop down, 12 to 15, and then we'll start working on like the main movements and everything like that. So it feels long. Don't make fun of my baby arms.
I got his band like I'm Barry Bonds. Running through the money, but the money's long. I don't love it, but I need it, keep it coming on. Only friendly, me and friends, we don't get along. I put that on my name, that I put them on. I put myself on stage and say sing along. I might book a session, do 100 songs. I'ma let you hear them just to prove you wrong. On track, now we gon' way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up. Pray up. On track, now we gon' way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going.
Let's move on. Guys, so this is called the JM press. It's something that I'm learning too. I'm gonna try to show you as best I can. I didn't really set this bench up yet, but so like a close grip, ignore the bench because it's not set up right. A close grip would be like this. On a JM, you go a little bit wider, and what you want to do is like keep your elbows in the same spot and come down to your neck like that. And you push up into the tricep. That's called a JM press. So there you go. It's just I mean, really it's just like a variation. I don't even know. I honestly didn't do like a lot of research in it. My coach put it in the program. At first I hated it. If you do it on flat, it's super hard because to keep your elbows in the same position and go down like that, there's just a lot of room for travel with the barbell. So like if you learn it on the Smith and then do the barbell, it's a lot easier because this is in a fixed position. So I can just worry about keeping my elbows where they're at and bringing the barbell down to my neck. And then just a lot less variables. Same reason you would squat in the Smith machine. It's just, you know, you just want to focus the legs. I just want to focus the tricep. I don't, you know what I mean? Like just learn the movement and then go from there. So. Sets of 20 here. Only rest 20 seconds between sets, but 3-second negative. I haven't done this workout, and honestly, my arms are like I don't know if they're weak or I'm just a bitch. So I'm gonna try it. These types of sets are hard to pick a weight because you want to stick with the same weight the whole time, but like then you add in a 3-second negative and only a 20-second rest time. It's like, it's very hard to pick a weight. So, but this will be the baseline, and then like every week I hit it, because I always take notes, like I tell you guys. That way I'm not doing this every time, which is I'm gonna pick a random weight and have no idea. Next time I do this workout, I have a good idea, like, hey, that was too easy. Go up, go down. Because that's how you're gonna grow, is like nail down where you were last week and then maybe start there. Like for bench, for example, if I start with 70-pound dumbbells, warming up, I'll just make myself go to 75, and then from there it's all feel. Kick me out, motherfucker. If you guys noticed, I'm trying to go all the way, because I notice a lot of times on my arm days, I stop halfway, you know, like most people, so I'm trying to really like stretch in the hopes that my arms will grow. But I mean, because you should get a full range of motion, so I'm cutting myself short, and so I need to stop. So, working on that. All right, now we gotta go down there. So we gotta do reverse grip press, skull crushers, close grip press, easy bar curls, hammer curls, then dumbbell alternating curls. I haven't done this a lot, so I'm gonna have to keep referencing my phone here, but we'll get it. Everything is 10 to 12 reps. And you wanna rest like 15 seconds in between. It's just like, if you guys have seen my previous arm days, basically the same setup, rest-wise and set-wise, but different movements. We're getting away from the cables and into like more real weights. Not that they're not all real, but you know what I'm saying. I haven't done this in forever. I don't know if I can unrack it like this. You know what I mean? Because I have like no strength with it.
How'd it feel?
Like shit. I don't know. How'd it look? Like shit?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe we just don't put that in there. Like not intimidating. These next two exercises are gonna suck. They're fairly quick, I guess. They're burnout sets. So the first exercise is an L raise. If you haven't heard of it, like one arm is gonna go out and one arm is gonna go up. When you do those, just just watch yourself. Make sure you don't get all, I've seen some real cute, interesting combinations there. Make sure one is going side and one is going front. And then all you do, I always come down and like literally reset and then go back up. And then I come down, and I just reset my hands and go back up. So anyways, the way you're gonna do this set is grab a super lightweight. You're gonna set a timer for 60 seconds. You just go until the timer goes off. Then you rest for 20 seconds. Then you set the timer for 40 seconds. Same thing. Rest 20 seconds, then you do 20 seconds to failure. And then that's it. That's the set. So it's 60 seconds, rest 20, 40 seconds, rest 20, 20 seconds, done. So it's gonna be really light. I think in my notes, like from probably 6 or 7 months ago when I hit this workout, I used 15s. I'm just gonna use 15s because shoulders, something like that is really hard. Like if you go up 5 pounds, it's gonna be a huge difference. So I'm just gonna see how it feels this week. And I'll write down in my notes, like I should have went up or maybe not. Or something you can do or I could do too. If you go for 60 seconds and it's way too late, like don't cheat yourself, go up. So I'll do the same thing, but if it's really hard, then I'll stay with the right weight. So I went to the thing that just happened, I wish I could explain, but I feel like I can't explain it because it has to do with something that's going on if I explain it. I don't know, I don't trust YouTube. Anyways, all the fly machines are taken. You're supposed to do reverse pec deck. Same setup as that. And then I was gonna do flies, but everyone in this gym likes to do flies next to someone else doing flies instead of working with each other. So all the cables are taken, all 4 sets, by people doing flies independently, which is very nice. So I remembered that I had these bands in my backpack, and you know, let me stop talking. I have these bands in my backpack, so I'm just gonna use these. It would burn, I don't even know. I literally just bought these, so I don't even know, I can't remember. This is a medium band, but I can't remember the weight resistance. So I might actually have to drop down to the red band, the light band. But it'll still get the job done. Same concept, right? So just improvising with what I got.
The same energy. Work on being better when I'm 70. Your drip is just a water spring. You know I drip different, just the 7 C's. I deal with life different, make that lemon squeeze. Went off for my style and identity. Better bounce back and get the cheddar cheese. I guess that's why they envy me. On track, now we gon' way up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up. Way up, way up. On track, now we gon' way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going. On track, now we gon' way up. Now we gon' way up. Now we going.
That's gonna wrap up today's workout for you guys. Got some posing in. I was just telling Damien, like, I haven't really seen myself with a pump in the mirror like that since the show. So like, I probably shouldn't take my shirt off here, but whatever. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video too. If you liked it, if you got anything out of it, please smash the thumbs up so we know we're on the right track. Share this video with a friend because it's all organic growth. I don't pay for promotion or ads or anything, and I don't get paid to do the channel. This all comes out of my own pocket. Again, I'm an ambassador for Raw Nutrition, so if you guys order any of their supplements, don't forget, use code RAWMIKE, and you get 10% off your next order. That helps support me, and in turn, I can make better content for you guys. So thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.